Done? Great. All right. Now we'll do a very important exercise, which is fear and positive aspect list. Now, mostly the amygdala, the work of that is to actually generate fear in us more than the positive aspect, right? We will have to opposite the process. You are going on the stage more than, oh, how beautiful it will be, it is not going to say that. It is going to say, what if you forget? What if there will be nothing in your head? What if you'll not be able to speak? What if people will not clap? All of those things comes in our head rather than it will be amazing. That's how it is programmed. The negative things we'll be able to see and generate in our body, but the positive things becomes very, very difficult. We need to change that. So I'll give you 10 minutes, 5 minutes for creating all the fear list around that amount that you have decided. Okay, so what is the fear? What if I'm not able to make it? What if it never happens? Right? What if it comes but I lose money? Whatever is the fear list, let's create the fear list first. Whatever is the fear, then we will speak to fear rather than saying nahi nahi mere man mein to kuch bhi nahi hai, nothing happens. Let's create and speak to our fears. Okay, so let me give you 5 minutes. Create your fear list first.
And if I actually believe that I will be getting 1 lakh rupees,
Then you don't have any fear.
no, not at all. I
Then do
believe
it
it
for some
completely.
other desire. Do it for some other desire. Any new desire you can take.
Okay.
Let me. Yeah. Understood what we need to do, right? Let's do it.
Self-esteem.
No, 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 not this. Fear list. All the fears associated to that desire. Let's speak to our fears. 5 minutes. Let's do it. If there's anything you would love to ask, please ask. Fear of tax. That's such a big fear. I'll have to pay this much. People will ask me for money. That's such a big fear, right? Because as soon as you start to earn, like people start to expect a lot. That's again a very, very big fear. So, what if we are asking in the negative sense? What if this happens? What if this happens? Great. All of you got something in the fear, right? Now we are going to speak to our fear. Okay. If you want me to change the sentence, I would love you to change this, help you to change the sentence. You can write in the chat. I'll give you some examples. For example, what if the family around is going to expect a lot of money around with me because now they know that now you are rich, now you have money. So what if that happens? I will set my boundary around it. I will do what I want to do, and then I know how to say no. That is the new thing that you are creating, right? So what if they expect? I will do what I can do. I will do what I want to do, right? I'll not do what they want because it's your money. So you can always decide what you want to do with it. So that is how I would love you to give answer first, and second, I would love you to give create the positive aspect list. So what if they will have, what if I have so much of amount in abundance that it doesn't matter 1, 2, 3, 5 lakhs here and there goes? Are you getting me? What if I am so much in abundance, it doesn't matter only. Where is it going? Again, it's a what if, right? Both is what if situation. We are creating a positive what if. Again, what if I lose money? I already have skills inside me. If I lose, I know how to make money back. That's again speaking to our, getting me what I'm trying to say? Create a what if positive, because both are what if. Both are what if. Can you see that? दोनों तो what if ही है, दोनों ही तो यही है कि क्या पता. तो क्या पता अच्छा भी तो सोच सकते हैं, क्या पता बुरा ही सोचना है. क्या पता ये हो जाए, तो क्या पता really I am able to make that I have thought of, right? क्या पता सच में this really is going to work out for me, सच में I become that, क्या पता, right? क्या पता really I become a celebrity, क्या पता really, can we think like that, right? Because our thoughts are manifesting at all the times. That's the base. Correct? Let's do that. So create a positive aspect list. What if I lose? What if I have to give so much money in tax? How much does it matter? How much does it matter, right? When you are God, so because I don't have to give in tax, will you just block your money? Or you want more? Right? So let's create it in that manner. What if? So let's do a meditation so that you can see that actually. Let's do that. Close your eyes, all of you. Close your eyes. Bring your attention completely to yourself. Take some deep breath. Let yourself relax completely. Now I would love you to see your life after next 6 months. That means you are in February, 22 February, 22nd Feb, 2026. Okay? And all the efforts that you have put in consistently in the money energy for the last 21 days, every single day being in that, I would love you to see that. What all work you have done on your own self. What all blocks you have removed. What all thoughts you have transformed in your body. All the changes that has changed inside of you that you can feel. I would love you to see that. How the exercises have made you a new person. You are no more the old tiny me, but you are the money giant version now. You know you are so much more. You know that now. In every cell of your body knows that. Now just see yourself doing this work every single day. Every single day with whole dedication, no matter what comes, you are doing it every single day, every single day, every single day, every single day. Just see yourself becoming that consistent person who does it no matter what. It's like brushing your teeth every single day, no matter what. You are that person now. You cannot live without not doing because your personality, you have evolved completely. Completely. I would like you to see this new version of you. What qualities this new version has. Let that new version stand right in front of you. What are the qualities? Is she more charming? Is she more magnetic? Does she dresses differently? Does she smiles a lot more? Does she laughs a little more? Does she let go of things a little more? Does she appreciate a little more? What all qualities that dream women version of you has? See that. First, see the physical aspects, and then I would love you to see the inner aspects, the inner qualities. Does she has more courage, more clarity, more consistency? What does she has? Just fall in love with this new version of you. If you can see it, you can really become that, truly. Otherwise, you can not see that version of you. And now, this new version of you is giving you some advice that Anjali, to become this, she has handed you a piece of paper. Malika, you got a piece of paper from the richest money giant version. Sangeeta got a paper from her richest money giant version. Jennifer got a paper, richest money giant version. And now you open up that paper. There is something written on that paper. I would love you to read that. Whatever your wisdom filled version of you is saying to you. that this is the advice that I want to give you. If you implement this, this is your reality. I would like you to open your eyes, becoming that new version, and write up the advice that your wisest self has given you. Just write up in your notebook. Malika, go drink water and come. You're not feeling well? What happened? Drink water. Be in this energy, you'll feel better. So I will not say you not to be in this energy, just bring water and be. What is the advice your wisest self has given you? Just write it. Just write it in your notebook. No need to share it with anybody. If you want to, you can. But it is just for you. Okay? And I would love you to be that person every single day. Choose to be that. Because it is not the advice coming from outside, right? Outside advice, sometimes we don't know. But the advice that is coming from your inside, that will always work for you. Always. Okay, today also it is the last day. I would also love to understand how this was for you, right? Very important, because that was my thing that I wanted. I take 6 sessions for 50,000. Why have I done 30 sessions? Just because I wanted to know first it is working. How are you finding this course, right? First, I want to understand that. Because I love to create with that conviction, because I had so much of, because I have done few with all of you, I know, because in one-to-one, but I wanted to do everything. I had so much inside. I wanted to do all of that, and I knew कि वो नहीं होगा. How many slides we have? Around 218 slides total. Okay. And around 50 exercises we have done in total. So I'll just take 5 minutes to revise. Are you all ready for a revision? 10 minutes, not 5. It will take more. Let's see it as a challenge. Am I able to revise everything in 10 minutes? That means 15 hours, right? So 15 hours in 10 minutes. Let's revise. I'll put a timer to see if I can revise. Everybody has got that on your hand? Yes. Anjali, you got it? You had? Yes. Okay. Perfect. You were not having it, na? You were outside, that's why. Mallika, come. We are waiting for you. Revision. Yeah, also before that, Mallika and Sangeeta has completed the whole without missing a single day. So let's clap. Well done. So Mallika, congratulations. Sangeeta, congratulations. So as promised.
Congratulations, Mandika.
Yes, congratulations both of you. Well,
Congratulations.
beautiful, right? And all of you have done it, I know, just because there was something very important. That's why it didn't happen. So because you have done it for around 12-13 days, I would love you to say, well done, amazing, right? I am a consistent person. Give yourself that credit, right? 1-2 days will be considered as consistent. Not like you're inconsistent, very consistent. But in spite of all the odds, if 2 people have done it, I would love to obviously send them 2,000 as the crash prize back. Let me send it right now. So got.
I saw a different, matlab, positive changes in the family too.
I'll ask.
Because
Wait. First, let me send your number, Sangeeta. I think the number, it's not going actually in there. Malika, you received it?
I received. Now you have sent.
Yeah, now I have sent you your gift for being consistent. Got it?
I have to check.
Yeah,
I
just
have
check.
to check.
Yeah, it's done. It is. You check. I will send you the screenshot. You keep checking. And Sangeeta, that number is not there, is it?
The phone number you have is the
Same
number
number.
91666.
But it is showing that there is a problem with your bank account, and it is. No worries. I'll just do it later.
We can do it later
You
also.
just send me ₹1 and then I'll see if it is just showing. I'll do it later. Malika, yours is sent. Okay.
Yes, I have got. Thank you.
Welcome. Congratulations. Be consistent. More. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Perfect. So let me just go back. Consistency is the full game. Simple. Okay, that is the game we have to master, because whatever I had to teach you, you all have learned that. But the thing is, you know ki you want to do, but you are unable to do. Yes or no? That is the only thing now. You don't need to know more. You don't need to listen to more podcasts. You don't need to know more information. Information ऐसे भी overload हो चुका है. You know so much that now you don't want to know much. So let me just revise. Okay. So I'll have 10 minutes to see if I can just do everything in 10 minutes. That will be my timing. 7 minutes. Let's take 1 more minute. 8 minutes. Okay, chalo, 8 le lete. 8 is an abundance number. Okay. Alignment plus consistency is equal to rain of financial blessings. So whenever you are wanting to create rain of financial blessings, what you need to know is you have to be in alignment, and you need to be consistently doing the exercises, doing the work to be in alignment. More you are in alignment, more you will see things happening for you, just like that. Just like that day I sent you that actress, that day only she has came. Okay, and I was like, wow, and just random. Love is the emotion, real love in your heart. Start creating love. If you cannot feel love for one person, shift your focus, find somebody you can love. We cannot love everybody, which is fine. I'm not telling you to love the people you are not feeling love. Do you love one person in this world? Love him fully. Love her fully. Do you love your pet fully? Do you love God fully? Do you love yourself fully? Love one person. I'm okay, right? Yeah. Just love one person. Shift your focus to love. Every time you are in a problem, rather than looking at the problem, I would love you to zoom out and see what's on the other side. If you are getting it, just do this. Okay? Zoom out. Malika, you're not feeling well. I would love you to zoom out and see what's on the other side. Right? Zoom out always and see what's on the other side. Never I have to attract abundance. I am abundance. Because when I'm saying I have to attract, I'm saying it is somebody else's. It is yours. It is not somebody else's. It is yours. This is one affirmation that I asked you that you can repeat. I am receiving all the riches the universe has for me now, and I appreciate it. Now. Now is the only moment which is actually existing. So every single affirmation, every single thing that you will be thinking of should be in the now energy. If there's any debt, okay, just do these exercises. Don't focus only on debt. More debt you will focus, more you will create. Why am I worthy is a very beautiful exercise to do if you are working on self-esteem or writing up good points about you, self-esteem points every single day. What is amazing about me? Write it, because you are not recognizing, but you have it. You are just not seeing it long enough, right? Because you are just waiting for somebody else to see. Somebody will only see when you will see. Oh, 5 minutes passed, only day one done. Currency, stay general. See yourself bigger than money and desire. Always focus on your feeling. See your money giant version. That is who you are. That's the reality. More you can see, more you can create the feelings, more you are there. One more affirmation I give you, beautiful one. I live an awesome, loving life where all the areas of my life are filled with love. Because one thing that I feel is very, very important is love for all of us. Right? And I know each one of you properly, so I know that because we have spent 1 year around with each one of you, right? So I live an awesome, loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. Every time you open up the wallet, rather than feeling broke, rather than feeling pinch in your heart that we generally tend to feel, but we will have to just change it comes, it's fine, just change it and create a different thought. You can just say cancel, so that thought is cancelled and now you have to create a new thought. Income statement or SMS, I appreciate the flow of financial blessings in my, even when you receive 1 rupees. My energy is the same, right? Yes, every time you are going to receive, I'm open, I appreciate, I receive it. Oh my God, I'm so lucky. Say these sentences to us. What can I upgrade about myself or my environment is very, very important. You cannot wake up to broken environment and feel good about it. I'm also actually thinking to renovate my house because my husband keeps on getting transferred, and that's why I have not renovated it, because I feel I don't know till when I'll be here. But let's do it, right? So I'm just thinking to do this. You also think, what are you going to do? Because I was thinking 20 lakhs will be a waste because I will not be staying also. Next year I'll be somewhere else. If I am here, it's fine, but I'm not here all the time, right? Depending on where he is, I'm there. Now, because he's living somewhere else, for 1 year we are apart, but it's not the case. So I was just little bit, but it's so important that your environment should speak beautifully to you. Very, very important. So not needed for the complete renovation. Can you put your desk properly? Can you put one place properly where you feel abundant? Beautiful. Only 2 minutes left. Okay. Affirmations is, why did it happen? Why? So rather than thinking why it will not happen, I will like you to think why it happened with me. Even if for nobody it will happen, for me it will happen. Because I am someone for whom miracles happen. I am someone who is a very consistent person. I am someone who is very rich. I am someone who thinks of something and things happen. New reality for yourself. Loving bank hug, image of increase, statement of increase, then you need to see the image of increase. Very powerful exercise again. Arigato money every Monday for 5 minutes. Love letter to money. Thank you so much for being such a support, because the reality is money has always come to you from bachpan till here. एक भी दिन बिना खाने के आप नहीं रहे हो, एक भी दिन बिना कपड़े के आप नहीं रहे हो, एक भी दिन बिना छत के आप नहीं रहे हो. And more than these three, nothing more is needed. Everything else is a fantasy. If it comes, great. If it doesn't come, great. Nothing matters, right? So the truth is, money has always been there for you, and money is just saying, "Yeah, I've always been in their life," and still you are saying, "I don't come." How will that person feel? यार मैं तो तेरा हर टाइम साथ देता हूँ, फिर भी तुम कह रहे हो. Okay, so don't let money feel like that way. Let money be there. Emotions to master to attract money is safe, secure, loved, and cared. One emotion each one of you will face difficulty to master, which is okay. For me, it is secure. I would love you to create that emotion more and more, because I've seen money coming in and money going in a lot amount. I've seen that. So whatever you have, your experience, you will see that, which is fine. Nothing to worry. Create an image, create a new memory, and focus there. If there's no memory, create a new memory for yourself and focus there. It will really help you to create a new emotion. Remember, are you remembering it? I'm not explaining that much, otherwise so I will take 2 hours. Okay. Winner among winners, very, very important. A winner among winners. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God, I'm just sitting in this beautiful room where I'm surrounded by the celebrities, where I'm surrounded by XYZ. I have failed the test, but okay. Loving thoughts to yourself, why money loves you, your work, your colleagues, everything about this will really help you. Image of increase, very much important. 4 creative forces of stuck reality: complaining, condemning, criticizing, resistant, and judgment. Stay on the table. You have praised an order. Now be there to collect the order. Don't go somewhere else. Past is irrelevant. No matter how the past was, how difficult the past was, you can create a new reality now. I'm deeply supported rather than I'm not supported. VIP metrics, you know that how much VIP you are, that you forget. Right? Because you would never like to give everything that you have to somebody else because you know that you are valuable to the world. We did the full exercise together. Sales is love. Always align before you are most. See what are the changes that you can that is going to bring in other people's life. Buy whatever you are selling. Very, very important. Hoping it works out, then I am a success. Rocket is a very different energy. Half expecting to fail and fear of things not working out versus expecting to succeed. Positive aspect list. Whenever you are feeling fear, it's fine. Do this exercise. Different exercises at different times whenever you need. Are you getting me? Right? If you're getting me, just do this or this something. Yeah. Okay. Letter from your richest self. Advice to the current self. This is the best advice that you can ever get. Nobody's advice is more valuable than this advice. Nobody's advice. You are the divine. You are the divine. The divine is there sitting in you. Sing and attract. I've sent the song all of you so you can just enjoy the song. Neville and Abdullah story, you are already in Barbados. Success signs on equally everybody. Don't measure too soon. Don't forget that compounding has its role to play. I needed a charger. Non-attachment, when and how will it happen? Your job is what and why. When and how is not your job. Whenever you are doing when and how, you are too much getting attached to that. And when you will get too much attached, manifestation doesn't work. Rejection is redirection. Rejection is learning. Rejection is growth. Rejection is not a bad thing. 3 things. Redirection, learning, and growth. Focus on new money instead of old money and stuck money. Otherwise, your energy will be in the stuck. Focus on the new, fresh abundance. XY programming and the terror barrier, you remember it. Future pacing every Monday. How my week is going to go, you are going to already do. Arigato money. Thank you so much, money. Attitude of spending, we already discussed. What went well for me and what does that mean about me? I appreciate having last also money to be able to easily make this purchase, one of the attitudes. The only one who will save is you. Stop waiting. Stop doing the work. Start doing the work. Start doing the work every single day. Every single day, every single day, every single day. And how do you know how are your emotions? At 3 a.m. if I wake you up and ask you, okay, what do you think about that 5 crores of rupees? Oh my God, I feel so expansive. I feel so amazing. I can't wait to have it. That should be your thought. Right? And how will that thought come? With all the exercises that we have done? Any exercise you put up. This meditation also I will send you. +0- process of money, very important. Feeling bad for others will make the things worse for them. Bless them, bless them, bless them. Accept the money that is coming to you is normal for yourself. No amount of hard work can make up for lack of alignment. Sharpening of axe, very much needed. How am I celebrating before it has already happened? Very much important. Bless every part of your job, your business. Bless every part of you. Reasons I'm enjoying this money. When man says no, just remember universe is saying yes to something great. Don't forget strategy and sharpening of your skills. Very, very important. More you will sharpen, more your confidence grows because you know that you have something great. Even in your lowest times, did anyone take away your power to manifest? Anyone? No, now you cannot manifest, now you are in the low. No, you always have this, always, right? Always. So when both of us were sitting with no jobs, neither me nor my husband, this was the one thing that actually took us up, right? So no one is taking that. Remember your power that no one can take. That means your power to think, your power to feel, your power to generate that emotions, and everything else falls in place. Money is like oxygen, lifetime supply till you die. Lifetime supply till you die. Okay, that doesn't mean you become careless with money, but have that attitude. Decide how much you are investing, how much you are saving, how much you are spending. The amount that you have decided to spend with that abundant energy. The amount that is going in investment, let it be automatic. Let it go. And the amount that just be like a king when you are having that amount that you have decided this much. We try to save in that also. That's the problem, right? It's not the problem. We don't have to. We have to save. We have to invest along with it when you are doing it so that more money can come. Because when you are spending with good attitude, more comes always. Money focus wheel. Whenever you want to focus, this is a beautiful exercise. The amount and all the thoughts that you already have, not you're creating. It focuses your energy in one direction. Large sums of money comes easily to me. Again, a beautiful affirmation to use. Because your body should be comfortable in receiving also. If you are not that comfortable, it doesn't come. Abundance binding technique we did yesterday. Money giant immersion, you already know. Dance, you already know. Alright, we are done. So it took 15 minutes. ठीक ही किया मैंने, उतना भी बुरा नहीं. Alright, perfect. So we are done. Now I'll just take one minute each one of you have to explain it. One minute. So I'll love to have answer to 4 questions. Okay. First, your name and what you do. Your name and what you do. Second, you should not be a gumnam person. You have a beautiful identity. I would love. So your name and what you do. You can also say the place. Second question. Since what is it that you love? How this magical money mastery course was for you? How was the experience of this 21 days? How was the experience of the next 21 days? Of the last 21 days? Which was the best exercise that you loved and you will continue doing, that really worked for you? And then any final words by anyone who would love to do this? Any final words? So 4 parts. Got it? 4 parts I would love to hear so that we have us. I'll stop sharing for a second. We don't have much time, so one minute. So one timer, one minute. Let's start. So who shall we? Let's start with the winners. So because to do it consistently, it really goes in a long way. So let's start with Sangeeta. Yes, Sangeeta.
I'm Sangeeta Sharma and I am an accountant and I am from Assam. I have done the 21 days self-love challenge also, but I was not as much consistent as I was in this 21 days money mastery.
There was a reason, but okay, yeah, continue.
Yeah. Actually, I was at the beginner's level that time.
True.
I was at the beginner's level that time.
You are also
and now I have done all the techniques of manifestation. Some of the techniques are consistently I am following, and now the family is Like the way I want to manage my time, I am managing. No
Wow.
one is there. Like it is like something is getting manifested
Hmm.
without even knowing me.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So family is really a backup for me right now
Hmm.
because every day I just finish whatever I am doing. I just post it, even if it is incomplete. I
Good.
just post it.
Very.
एक घंटा मेरा ये काम है तो बस है.
How was the
अब
magical money mastery for you? What is it that you loved the most?
it is like going up from rupees 18 to the thousands.
Hmm. Hmm. And how
So
was which was the best exercise?
best exercise, I can't
Yeah.
say one. I can't say one is the like I am very
Same boat.
बोलता ना और चाहिए वाला person.
Good.
So
Hmm.
money giant, follow it every day, every night before sleep. I am doing it in my dreams also.
Hmm.
And the money focus way.
Okay, that really helped you. So, what is
Yes.
it that you would love to say if somebody's thinking to take this? If
Why to think? Why bother thinking? It will just waste time. Just do it and
love
go
it.
for it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome and congratulations again. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next winner, Mallika. Yes, Mallika. Are you feeling better?
Yeah, a
Yes.
little bit better. I vomit actually.
Yes. Your video is internet is little bit. Can I only see? All of you can.
It is
Yeah. Yes, Mallika.
it is raining outside.
It's okay. It's okay.
Maybe that's
We can
why.
hear you. We can hear you. No worries.
Hello everyone. I am Lika. I'm a teacher by profession right now, and I'm from also Assam, like Sangeeta. I don't know where she is from,
Wow.
which place.
Assam people are
Yes, I'm also from Assam.
okay.
Yes, presently I'm working in school, but I am thinking to changing my profession
Hmm.
in few years.
Hmm.
Yes,
Great. How was the
yes.
magical money mastery
I was
for you?
yes. It has totally changed my mind towards money.
Love that.
Actually, I had a lot of negativity around money, and it has totally changed my mindset.
Beautiful.
It has means yes, totally positive. Now I feel that everybody means everybody should do such kind of means workshop,
Love that.
because in our society I have seen lots of people having the same mindset like me.
Hmm. 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 Correct. Most of us, most around us are like that only, which is completely fine. They have not got this information, so they are completely perfect the way they are. So you are so true, right?
Yes.
Which exercise you love the most, Malika?
Uh, I loved that day you told us to write love letter to money,
Hmm.
and my love letter was it was a kind of ho'oponopono love letter
Okay.
towards money.
Okay. Nice.
I did not given so much of focus and so much of love towards money never before.
Love that. And what was your achievement during the sessions? You achieved something? How was that? What was the achievement in the terms of money?
Uh, in terms of money, I now believe that universe is with me. It is you have given all this.
Hmm.
You have given all the guidance, and it is now upon me how we it
How we respond
means
back.
alignment. Yes, alignment, consistency. Matter.
Okay, well done. Thank you, Malika. All the best. Just be consistent and just achieve a lot of things, a lot of love and blessings to both of you. Thank you. Let's have Anjali Jennifer, who is going to come. You decide. Raise your
I
hand.
can come.
Anjali. Okay, Anjali, come.
Okay.
Yes.
So my name is Anjali. I'm an engineer and I am currently living in Germany. And first of all, thank you, Manisha, for inviting me to participate in this 21 day of journey together. So, yeah, so my experience with this um, yeah with this
Magical.
course has been like honestly wonderful, because I didn't know somehow like I had blockages in myself toward money, and how I thought about money. So eh, I didn't receive any money in this last 21 days, but of course like I got the feeling of being more responsible toward money, toward my thinking. And as I visualized myself having more around money, I also got a sense of, like how I can use it, why do I need it, because I was never very mindful about it. So yeah, definitely this couple of exercises that you have given has really really helped me to plan my future ahead. And I really love two exercises, which is Money Giant, and the second one is Future Images. So
Future.
where we visualized ourselves in our, like future, and that little drawing. So that really, yeah, was eye opening to me.
Statement of increase. Okay. So that was your
Yes.
best exercise. All right.
Yes.
Any last words that you would love to say, Anjali?
Any last words? Uh, it was also somehow like increased my confidence, which is very unrelated, but having that belief, hey, do I deserve more, can I have more? So it has also boosted up my confidence. And to all of us like who are in this call right now, like you said, even our lowest times, nobody can snatch the ability to manifest more. So same way we should never be able to like let others destroy our confidence, because confidence matters the most.
Most.
Even to manifest, I think confidence is the key.
I'm having goosebumps. Absolutely true. And I'm so glad that you are able to understand this point so beautifully. That self worth is so important. If I have increased it, if that is increased, automatically things are going to happen, right? So that's so
Yes.
beautiful that your confidence has increased. So, I love you, Anjali. Thank you so much. May you achieve more and more and more. You're already doing great, great, great. May you get more and more, more and more. I always get inspired, and like you will get more and more. So, all the best. Thank you. Sending you lots of
Thank
love and blessings.
you. Yes.
All
Now the
right.
stage goes to Jennifer.
Yes, now the stage goes to last but not the least. Let's bring to Jennifer. Okay. How to remove? Okay, why I'm unable to remove you? You're a permanent person in my life, so yes. I'm unable to. Yes, finally. Yes, Jennifer, come. Yes, Jennifer. How was your experience? Tell me about yourself, and then how was it? Nothing is coming. No voice. You might have thought कि अच्छे से आवाज आएगी, कोई भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Remove that. Disconnect that thing.
Now,
Yes, yes. Now perfect. Absolutely perfect.
so I'm Jennifer and I'm a life coach, though I've not started practicing it because of the confidence level that was low. But obviously, Manisha has held on to me for a very long time, and because of her belief in me and my belief in her, I am here. So I I always have this habit that I have many goals in life, and I was always positive, but due to certain things, I started undermining myself. So obviously, after these 21 days, there is a positive mindset change that pehle it was like, am I worthy? But it is, it has moved to, I definitely am worthy and of much, much more.
Lovely.
And and Manisha's positivity is magnetic. So my main, the most favorite part is the image of increase.
Hmm.
You visualize yourself, and what I will do consistently is two things: consistency and trying. And obviously, I will keep trying, and positive mindset and belief.
You
That
have been consistent in this journey. 2 days, one was like because that thing has happened, and the other was
New
also
Year.
because that thing has happened. So, but okay, so you are consistent. So all of you who is here, I know like that's why I said that I want that commitment that I would love you to be consistent every single day because one thing that I would love that I really wanted to work on with is consistency. You all have everything that you need. I know that. The only thing is consistently to do it every single day, right? Any final words, Jennifer, that you would love to say?
I love you. So whatever you say is always right, right,
Oh
right,
my
right,
God,
right.
love you
And
too. Thank you. Love you too. Thank you so much. And you all, as I said, like you all, I've chosen out of so many because I really love each one of you who was there because I wanted to do with number of people I can see their reaction, I can see their video is on or no, I can see that they're working or no, so that I can really put the attention because I do one to one and I will continue doing one to one only. All right, perfect. So I have one final thing that I would love to show you, and I will give, if you give me the permission. First, I'll open up for all of you, and then then I'll open up. Today itself will be the chance if you want to come in or jump in. Only 5 people I'll be taking up together. Again, it is very similar to what we have done in this because uh, the whole idea is to make you consistent. You know everything now. You have everything. I just want you to do it every single day. That's the idea. So all of you are excited to see the journey. If you are just soon, show me this, I'll show you. Yes, perfect. So let me show you. And I've just kept it very minimally priced so that I'm also like, yes, little bit I'm also into it, right? And I can be with it. I just want you to be consistent, and that's the only plan and that's the only thing in my mind. So let me show you quickly what is it. So I'll take 5 minutes to show. I'll put a 5 minute timer. I don't go more than that. And then if you have anything, I will just take that. It's 5 seconds that I'll never be able to do. So it's 90 days journey before 2026. We need to get ready with the consistency muscle. We all know that consistency is the thing that's needed. We know the exercise, we know what we need to do. We know that affirmation, visualization, the first set of life coaching the 6 sessions, the first set of, there only we have understood what we need to do every single day, right? But then are we doing it every single day and we know it from our heart? No, right? And once we start to do that, we start to see a different result. So the whole course that I have created, just like this one, I have created this one also from my soul, not from my mind. And I would love to create more courses from my soul. Okay, so that is how. So you are the 5 people that I have chosen firstly. So today
I can't
itself,
hear you.
everybody else can hear. Remove. Everybody else can hear. Jennifer, can you
Yes.
hear? Can you hear? Check. Everyone else is here, can hear, so that means it's not from my side. Check once. Jennifer, Mumbai. Anjali is from Germany,
Say something.
Agra, and Sangeeta in Assam. And Megha is also from Mumbai.
Mallika, I am from Rangia. Where are you
I'm
from?
coming back.
Yeah, we will discuss that. Come wait. No, I was just seeing that which place. I was just recollecting in my mind. Okay, so it will be a 90 days marathon. Jennifer, can you hear me now?
Now I can.
Okay, yeah, I'll remove this one. Yes, perfect. So it will be like where we'll be focusing on three things where the focus will be health and energy, because so many of you have told me I feel less energy, right? So that's one important thing that we'll focus on. Freedom path, healing all the past baggages and the past traumas. We all are carrying a lot and we have to go a lot, but how are we going to go with so much on our head, right? So we need to go remove that, and we need to remove that. How to remove that? By working on it every single day. I have never thought to give up this level of commitment where I'm coming every single day, so I was not able to do this, but now I'm ready. Since I'm ready to do this for all of you, we can do this. So every single day, freedom path, healing the past baggage, and the last is the abundance path. So similar kind of exercises, but not this was more about energy. This will be more about environment, about investments, more about in the different angle. If you have understood, right? It will be a different angle thing. It will be at 5 a.m.
Hi.
Reason, I want all of you to get up early. So it's not just doing the thing. I would love all of you to get up early. So 5 a.m., 5 people. Deep healing meditation, customers. I'll send a form which all of you will fill, and I will just create all of that as per that, and 1 full hour we'll go with that. So I'll create it 1 full hour. I'll create that guided thing where I would love you to go with that and then do the journaling around it, right? So that will be the first 21 days. So this is how it will be going: identifying emotional wounds, journaling prompts to uncover childhood memories, then body-mind connection, guided meditation to notice where the pain is sitting, then breath work and writing letters, not sending, just to release the stuck feelings. All of you might have done little by little in the session, I would have told you to do, but every single day has a different energy, right? So every single day is the thing that I would love you to do. Forgiving people and situations, inner child work, replacing old stories, reclaiming my power, cutting the energetic and toxic people, letting them go out of our life easily, very important. Planting new beliefs. It's like you are here. This is the old you. Oh, you can't hear? Yeah. So this
Now
is the old you, where so much kachada people are also there, together with amazing people in your life. So much kachada things are also there, along with amazing things in the house. So everything is there together. Now the reality that I would love you to create is the new reality here, where there is no unnecessary, there is space for the growth. Correct? There should be space for the growth. That's where we will be moving up. Then wealth activation, daily wealth rituals, customized question and answer every 15 days we will be doing, or we can keep every 15 minutes as we will discuss. Environment change we will be doing for wealth, and customize as per for the 5 people. I will be sending you the Google form to do that. Energy boost, for example, jeera pani, we all need to drink. We know that. Are we drinking? No. We will do it in the class. Go prepare the jeera water and drink. We know all have to do exercise. Are we doing? No. So 20 minutes, I'll put up the video. Let's do it, exercise together. Are you getting me? That kind. From knowing to doing. Now you know. But is knowing equal to doing? No. So we are not knowing anymore. 90 days is for doing. We all know we should do 15 minutes of meditation, 20 minutes. Are we doing it? No. We all know we should write our goals every. Are we doing it? No. We'll be doing it every single day, right? So easy to follow the foods, nutrition, 5-minute recipes, all of that. We will create it in the session itself. It will be more like go do this, come, go do this, come, go do this, come, something like that. So get up from your place, make that and come, go. Then I'll also send you all the ingredients list. Everything that you have to get. I'll give you this 10 days where I would love you to prepare, get your yoga dress, get your yoga mat, get your ingredients, get your groceries, all of that. So that we can, once I ask you, you have it already. Are you getting me? So it will be more about doing. So very much created from heart, knowing what you need. That's the intention. So yeah, this is how it will be going. It will be 21 days. Have you loved the program? Do you want to ask anything about it? how much you loved it. Is there anything that you would love to add? We can do that as per what you need. So
I
this,
love this program, but I might not attend.
why?
It is for 3 months and 2 months, I need
Oh,
to
you are pregnant. Yeah.
sense myself.
Yeah, September. Okay, that's completely fine. That's completely okay. I just want you
So
to
I have
slowly.
one request.
You can, yeah, tell me. Start
Sir,
later.
yes.
It will come again. It will come again. Later, it may come again. That don't worry. I'm not leaving this profession, so
All
I,
right. Then I
I
will.
will be into it.
Then my next manifestation will be this program.
Yes, absolutely, you can do this. And this is only obviously for the people who have already done it for a long period, and now because I want to give more, that's why it is. So it is very decently priced. If you hear the price, you'll say, "What? Really?" But yeah, this is what it is. Okay, really so much less, but yes, less because I want to go deep dive and really just it's just a give back thing for all of you, right? Because more than 2.5 lakhs all of you have paid, so it's nothing to be thinking of that sense. I want to give more, so it's a part of that program only that you have already came, but I want your commitment to it so that I give you this. That's the intention. So the whole thing is completely priced at. Any guesses? Let me see if no guess. Okay, so the whole thing is priced at tell me.
4 times 9.
No. Wrong.
Um,
Absolutely not. Okay, I'm telling you. For 6 sessions, if it was 50,000 and we are going on a 3 months, how much it should be? Whose maths is good? Please tell me how much it should be. 6 sessions, 50,000. For 90 days, how much it should be? Nobody's maths is good. Obviously, you all are in my class. Nobody's maths is good.
where Manisha is giving gifts, then the maths fails.
No. Okay, so 6 sessions is 50,000. I will also have to do the math.
Yeah, so it's more than 7 lakhs for sure.
Okay, so more than 7 lakhs. Okay, so let's believe Anjali. So more than 7 lakhs, right? So, but now here I would not love to go 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, nothing in lakhs, obviously. I love to quote it only at a decent price, that is 24,999 out of the total. Also, this 24,999, there's more to come. 10K will be your commitment money that you will be getting if you have shown up for all days. If you have not missed, take it back. So I'm just keeping it 15. Also, if you have paid for gold membership, 10K will be less if you have paid for the gold. Okay, so you can do your calculation, and then as per that, it will be today itself. You can pay any amount and book it, because I want only 5 people and we'll be starting it very soon. And I'll be sending you all the details, how, what we will be doing. Nothing forced. If you feel aligned, if you feel that you have to do it, just do it. If you feel you want to be consistent, you have enough time, you have spent knowing, you want to now spend your time in body, mind, and on your skills doing it, just do it. I will not do it again. Obviously, I'm not feeling like I'll be able to do. If I'll be able to do, great, please come. And if I'll not be able to do, because next time I would love to take all of you 5 people more deeper, 1 year journey. And again, it will be decently, because I'll be knowing your commitment, right? I'll be checking your commitment. Then we can go to 1 year and just think now, if you're doing few things every single day, who will you become? Will you become worth amazing and admiring, and because it's like the habits that we are doing every single day, right? So that is what it is. You all have your phone pay amount, you can just share it. So first, today I have opened up for all of you, or else I'll be choosing up the people tomorrow itself. So if you're coming in, just write the message in the WhatsApp coming in, and with any booking amount, so that I know you're coming in. 21 days slots will be there. Saturday, Sunday will be holidays. 21 days, 3 slots we will be doing. 7 days will be holiday, and there will be gap between 121 days to the next 21 days, and I'll be sending you the schedule so that you can decide your time accordingly. Got it? So there will be in between the timings. Okay? Perfect.
Can I join 21 days? Starting 21 days?
Starting 21 days, yes. Yeah. It will keep on coming. So yeah, you can do that one also. And then you can do the next 2 later. Perfect. That works. All right. So take care. All the best. Thank you so much for showing up. Thank you so much for doing it every single day. And you will call me? Yes. Call me. I'm there. Yeah, phone is here only. I doesn't take the calls after the session. That's why she's saying, okay, I'll take it. Yes. All right. So all the best. We'll be going deep with 5 people. If you're really excited to get up early in the morning, if you're really excited to build up amazing habits, we'll be making 12 new habits. So you have to, for example, if drinking 3 liters of water, you have to do it. 1 liter of water, you'll do it in the class. So that kind where we are doing in the class, not teaching, but making you do. That's the intention of the whole course. That's how it is made. So wish you all the best. Sending you lots of love to Jennifer, Anjali, Sangeeta, Mallika. Would love to have you. If you got this opportunity, don't let it go. And if you let it go, you can do it on your own, great. But if you know that I will not be able to do it on my own, come and let's do it together. Let's have fun and let's do it together. Let's have the same batch repeat rather than somebody else. Let's not this opportunity go to anybody else. If it goes, it goes. All right. Bye. Take care. Sending good love. Let's come. Let's do our hug and then we will go.
Thank you. Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha. This
Thank
was
you.
wonderful.
Thank you, Anjali.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
everyone.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you, Jennifer. Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Last session. Bye.